What's this?
Ducky.
What is it?
Ducky.
Mmm.
Nana.
Is it broccoli?
I want some more of this.
Chicken?
Yeah, I want more of chicken.
Eat the rice too, okay? 把 rice 吃掉，妈咪再给你 more chicken。冰箱里还有好多 chicken, so just eat, finish all the rice and you'll get chicken.
看哥哥。
I'm happy for Daddy right now.
Oh, daddy, yeah.
Sometimes I throw levels to go to see Daddy.
Oh,
And I throw out some and I squish. And I squish. Can I have just one more piece of chicken?
After you finish all
I
the rice,
want
I'll
one
give you.
more piece.
你
Before
吃
I eat rice.
and then you finish all your rice before you get any more chicken.
什么？